my buddy Clint bought a catfish boat. This boat is a Lowe Catfish 18. And what better way to break in this boat than to fill it up with live crickets. We're going to go fishing for crappie this evening and hopefully catch some. This was the last setup I was using for Moon Eye. Just a fill bobber and a little trout magnet jig head. See if I can catch some crappie on this using crickets. I got a lot of crickets. I might have to show you guys my new little cricket thing I got set up. Maybe they won't all die on me this time. Figured since I got a bunch of crickets, I might as well use them. Clint got an incredible deal on this boat. It's actually got a live scope on it, which is pretty cool. See anything on the live scope yet? Oh, I see some stuff. Maybe. I'm just going to toss at the dock. Were you using live scope last time?
Yeah.
For an 18-foot boat, it's pretty stable. A little bit more stable than my boat. Now, that's the difference between a prop and a jet. Oh, you got this thing on spot lock?
No, it shouldn't be.
Huh. It's exhibiting that problem. That's not good. Tarovas have a problem where they just spin in place. I just hit continuous. And then use your foot to go up and down to move it, but it looks like it's got the, you can't go all the way around because it's got that problem where it sticks. Well, it's not doing it now. I don't know what I did to fix it. There we go. Starting to rain now. Well, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be, like the handle. So you're using the handle to look in whatever direction. So that does look right. We knew there were scattered showers around. Those guys yelling because they're getting wet while running their boat. Hopefully this will pass. Maybe. Fail at skipping the dock. Oh, there we go. Well, I failed to skip the dock, but I caught something. Bluegill. I wish I would have brought a portable bait tank.
We got a live well.
Yeah, well, I have no way to get them home. But hey, that's a pretty fish. Oh, there you go. You got a bluegill. Very nice. Got a double going on here. Cool. Another bluegill. Oh, wow. We could totally load up on bluegills here. That's a big one. Whoops. Oh. I think they robbed me of my cricket while I was watching that. Controlling the trolling motor here too, so I might as well try not to get us stuck. Clint doesn't know what he did with the remote, so we're having to use the foot pedal. I guess I will try the little spot lock. Put us near where the fish are. And I think this Terova has a problem where it won't turn backwards. Yep. It kicked out of the mode. So yeah, got a little problem. Nothing warranty probably couldn't fix. I don't know. It's part of the turning mechanism gets loose. They can fix it. If it's still under warranty, they can fix it. If it's not under warranty, you'd have to pay. Probably wouldn't be more than $150 to $300, somewhere between there. Swafford's, you know where? Well, you probably don't know where Swafford's is at, do you? They're right next to Fort Loudon Dam, almost.
You have to take it off the boat?
Yes. They'll probably have to keep it for like a week too. That's the only bad part about it. We may have caught all the fish here.
Crappie bite crickets?
Yeah, see what it's doing? Looks like it can't turn to correct itself. It happens to Terovas.
How would you even get the thing off there? Isn't it bolted to the whole thing?
Probably have to take this off to get to the bolts underneath it. That's why I like quick release brackets. 60 bucks.
I had one on that other boat.
Good job, skipped it right under there. Haven't been able to do that yet. What? What'd you get?
I don't know.
Oh, you got a bass. Awesome.
I just won the Loudon tournament.
Nice one. What are you using?
Gulp minnows.
Gulp minnows.
It's like you had to ask.
Here, throw me the jar so I can show him. There we go. Whoops. Yep, that's what he uses. It's his favorite bait. What are you doing, trolling motor? And I am using crickets. Got a nice little waterfall here. Haven't caught anything near it yet though, but I do see minnows jumping, and we're seeing stuff jump in front of this dock too. And there's a dog barking in the background. That's probably skipjacks out there. Starting to hear thunder in the background. That's not good. Might have to cut our trip short. That's okay. I really wanted to check his boat out, and I kind of like it. It is stable. So, oh, gonna bite, I think. They took my cricket. Should have been recording that. I just had an escapee get away from me. Now Clint officially has a cricket on his boat to drive him nuts. We might want to try around that wood.
Okay. How do we
If you can get get the trolling motor over there.
You push this right button over here?
Yeah, hit the con button continuous.
Okay.
Probably the easiest way. And then press forward on the thing. Well, you can also use those buttons too. It seems to work better when it's running, but you won't be able to turn it backwards, at least until it's fixed. You gotta go the other way.
This right here?
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Just back and forth. Just keep it like pointed forward, to a little bit to the right, to a little bit to the left. You won't be able to make any crazy maneuvers. The guy who had it before you probably didn't think there was a problem, but there is. Well, that was a great cast. Sometimes they're around these down bushes. Looks like it's probably 10 feet out there too, 10 feet deep. Oh. Of course, yeah, when dealing with sticks, you get a lot of hang-ups too. And this is the places crappie love to hang, right in the middle of the snags. Of course, Clint already knows most of this anyway. There's a certain place that I know of that you can catch a ton of crappie around wood like this. And I think Clint has fished it before in his kayak. They don't want to come up. Or they don't want crickets. See on the Panoptics right here, this limb has a bunch of something on it. Maybe a bunch of bluegill. Get a cricket on here, and then I will show you guys what fish look like on the Panoptics. Try to get a closer look. You want to look for things that are moving. Like that dot right there is a fish that's moving. There's another fish moving right there. These are all like 25 feet out. This is the stick that's in the water, so they're all around this stick, and you can see them moving around. I'm going to cast over you. Right on the stick.
I'm about to get hung up, so.
It's about where they're at, maybe. One more try. They probably just stole my cricket. I think it's a bunch of little ones. Yep, they took my cricket. All right, guys, we have decided to start heading back to the ramp. the storm is getting closer and closer, and it's thundering, and where there's thunder there's lightning, and we don't want to be out here when it's lightning out. We knew there were storms everywhere. It was clear when we launched, at least in our local area, but they kind of popped up around us. That's how it goes. But hey, gotta check out Clint's new boat here, or new old boat, or new used boat, new to him boat. What year is this thing?
2019.
This is a 2019 model. I'm not going to tell you the exact price that he got it for, but he got it way, way below what anybody else would pay for this thing, especially with Panoptics, with Tarova. He did add multi-bars. We will have to try fishing in this someday for catfish using the multi-bars. And because this has a big live well, we could probably do tournament fishing too. I've been wanting to do a tournament, and I gave up my tournament boat a while back trying to get a better guide boat. So now Clint has the tournament boat, and I will eventually get a better guide boat, at least a 20-footer someday. Anyway, as always, I want to thank you guys for taking your time out of your day to watch my video. I really, really appreciate it. And please let me know in the comments below if you like Clint's setup here. He's got his small rods up there, his big rods back here, and yeah, it's a boat. It is still a manufactured catfish boat, so you do have to step up to the back deck to get to the back rods. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. I don't think any manufacturer is going to ever make a real catfish boat. They know bass boats like the back of their hand. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. And thanks, Clint, for bringing me out on your boat.
Thanks. Thanks for coming.